Gandhiji chose Dandi, a seashore in Gujarat, to begin the salt satyagraha. On 12th March 1930, Gandhiji set out from Sabarmati Ashram with 78 followers for launching the salt satyagraha. A distance of approximately 385 kilometers was covered on foot, and Gandhiji delivered speeches in the villages on the way. Through the speeches, Gandhiji appealed to the people to be fearless and join the civil disobedience movement. Due to Gandhiji's speeches, message of civil disobedience movement spread everywhere and a favorable atmosphere was created. On 5th April 1930, Gandhiji reached Dandi. On 6th April, Gandhiji broke the Salt Act by picking up the salt laying on the seashore of Dandi, and the civil disobedience movement started all over the country. Sacrifice of Babu Genu. In Mumbai, there was agitation against foreign goods. The vehicles transporting foreign goods were obstructed. Babu Genu Saeed, a mill worker from Mumbai, was in the forefront in this movement. A truck carrying foreign goods, safeguarded by the police, came in front of Babu Genu. To stop the truck, he lied down on the road. Police threatened him, but he did not move from his place. Finally, he was crushed under the truck. Babu Genu gained martyrdom. This sacrifice of Babu Genu gave inspiration to the national movement, Gandhi-Irvin Pact. The British Prime Minister expressed his hope of participation of Indian National Congress in the Second Roundtable Conference. In view of the appeal made by the Prime Minister, the Viceroy released Mahatma Gandhi and other leaders from prison. Thus, a conducive atmosphere was created for the Congress to discuss the issues freely. A pact was signed between Mahatma Gandhi and Viceroy Irvin, which is known as the Gandhi-Irvin Pact. According to this pact, the British government assured that the system of responsible government would be added in the proposed Constitution of India. Consequently, Indian National Congress withdrew the civil disobedience movement and agreed to attend the Round Table Conference, Pune Pact. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar represented the Dalits in the Round Table Conference. He demanded separate electorates for the Dalits. Electorates means constituency or people entitled to vote. After the Second Round Table Conference, the British Prime Minister Ramsay MacDonald declared communal awards. Now, according to it, Dalits were given separate electorates. Gandhiji went on fast unto death at Yerwada jail, protesting against the granting of separate electorate on the basis of caste. The leaders of Indian National Congress requested Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar to reconsider the demand for separate electorates, keeping in mind the interest of the nation. Dr. Ambedkar was ready to accept this request. In 1932, Mahatma Gandhi and Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar signed the famous Pune Pact. According to this pact, separate electorates for the Dalits was cancelled and a provision for reserved seats was made.